Yes, class 10th student. The next topic from the chapter Control and Coordination is human brain. That is the major part of central nervous system. Human brain is the widest and uppermost part of the nervous system. It is located in a skull that is called cranium. This cranium is covered by, the brain is covered by 3 layers of membranes which are called the meninges. The weight of human brain is near about 1.2 to 1.5 kg. The meninges and cranium both provide protection to the brain. Come on, what the various parts of human brain. The first part is the forebrain, the second part is the midbrain, and the third part is the hindbrain. Forebrain has also subparts which are the cerebrum, second is the olfactory lobes, and third is the diencephalon. The first part now, which is the olfactory lobes. Olfactory lobes are a pair of club-shaped structure which is involved in relaying the sense of smell. The second part is the cerebrum, that is the largest part of human brain that makes up 80% of total brain. This cerebrum is divided into two parts, that is by the presence of a median fissure or crack. These divided parts are called the cerebral hemisphere. Each cerebral hemisphere internally made up of gray and white matter. Gray matter is called the cerebral cortex, whereas white matter is called cerebral medulla. Gray matter or the cerebral cortex formed of cell bodies, whereas white matter formed of myelinated nerve fiber. Cerebral cortex has two areas, elevated area or the raised area which are called the gyri, the depressed area is called the sulci. The cerebral hemisphere internally formed of 4 lobes. These lobes are the frontal, parietal, temporal and occipital lobes. Come on about one by one. At first about frontal lobe. These occur in front of the anterior side of the cerebrum that is involved in controlling the voluntary action, and it is also the site of intelligence. The second lobe is the parietal lobe that is situated in mid upper part of cerebrum. It is involved in controlling the touch, pain and the pressure. The third part is the temporal lobe that is situated in lateral side of the cerebrum. It is involved in controlling the hearing, smell and that of speech also. The fourth lobe is the occipital lobe that is situated, or it is the undermost part of cerebrum. It is responsible for the reasoning and emotion. It is also the site of memory. The third part of forebrain is the diencephalon that lies at inferior side of the cerebrum. It is the site of hunger, thirst, sleep. So these all are the three parts of forebrain which are involved in various functions. Thanks. In next video for the further parts of human brain.